The LG V20 user, and today I'm doing a video on the iPhone 11 Pro from T-Mobile. So the iPhone 11 Pro is now implemented by T-Mobile as of September 20th. So here it is. This is the light version. You guys can see that this one has 3 cameras on the back instead of 2 like it does on the iPhone 11. So there you have it. It has pro camera, pro display, and pro performance. So and enhancing it further. So I guess the iPhone 11 Pro has a 5.8-inch Super Retina display, a dual 12 megapixel camera on the back. Thanks to all 3 cameras, it's 12 megapixels on the back. So you have 12 megapixels everywhere. 64 gigabytes of storage right there. That's the front and back. It's available in 2 colors. You have midnight green and space gray right there. 64 gigs. The price on this one is $899.99 when you get switched to notification. When you get switched to mobile, it's $899.99. Full retail price $999.99 right there. So yeah. Says here, shoot amazing video and photos with the ultra wide and telephoto cameras. Capture your best highlight photos with night white's HDR movies and shows on the Super Retina XDR display and the brightest iPhone display that experience unprecedented performance with A13 iconic for gaming, augmented reality, and photography, and get all day battery life and a level of water resistance, all in the first iPhone platform enough to be called perfect. Alright. So the smallest iPhone 11 Pro is 5.8 inches Super Retina XDR OLED display. So this one has OLED, so that's nice. Water resistance up to 4 meters for 30-minute phase IP68 rating right there. Triple camera system with 12 megapixel ultra wide and telephoto cameras, night mode, portrait mode, and 4K videos at 60 frames per second. You also have a 12 megapixel true depth front camera with portrait mode, 4K videos, and slow motion videos right there. That's pretty nice. Face ID for secure authentication in Apple Pay, A13 Bionic chip with 3rd generation neutral engine, fast charge with 18-watt adapter included. So this one has the adapter included. The iPhone 11 you do have to buy that separately. So the iPhone 11 Pro includes 18-watt fast charging. It's very nice. You have wireless charging, of course, iOS 13, dark mode, new tools for editing video and photos, brand new privacy features, and you have ID verification for price check. So that's kind of interesting. It says pro cameras, pro display, pro performance, right? And instruction over detail. 4 new textural magnetic glass finishes, 5.8 inches or 6.5 inches Super Retina XDR display, and the toughest glass ever in a smartphone. So, yeah, 3 cameras that feel like one. You have an ultra wide angle, and a telephoto camera on the back. All are 12 megapixels. 4K video is the highest quality video in the smartphone. So shoot 4K video with extended dynamic range of 50 frames per second. Capture 4 times more second and edit with new tools like rotate, crop, and filters. It also has night mode on there. High techniques, low light, and dimly lit restaurants to sunsets on the beach. The new night mode delivers natural, low light shots automatically. Lots more power and lots more battery life. Get up to 5 more hours of battery life on iPhone 11 Pro Max, and up to 4 with iPhone 11 Pro. Fast charge with the included 18-watt adapter and A13 Bionic with neutron engine, the fastest chip in your smartphone. Privacy is built in. Face ID is a more secure facial authentication on a smartphone, and it doesn't store or share your photo because with iPhone your privacy comes first. Specs on this iPhone 11 Pro here is 64 gigabytes of storage, 5.8 inch Super Retina XDR OLED display, triple camera system with 12 megapixel ultra wide and telephoto camera, night mode, portrait mode, and 4K videos up to 60 frames per second. There is no external memory for iPhones and SD card, or hotspot compared to talk time, iOS 13. 813.9 for 13 years in different music. The iPhone 11 Pro weighs 5.8 ounces. There's accessories that you guys need accessories for the iPhone 11 Pro, go to Amazon. So there you guys have it, the iPhone 11 Pro. It's not available at Metro by T-Mobile. It's $899.99 when you guys switch, or it's $999.99 outright. So there you guys have it, iPhone 11 Pro. Not available at Metro by T-Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up if you guys are listening out loud. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.